Hello, sir. This is Abdul Bari. My student number is 73948. So now I'm going to start my assignment, which we are going to do in. We are going to install Windows in VirtualBox. So first, let me open the VirtualBox. Now we will click on import, and after that we are going to the file, and which the file is in which we downloaded this from the Moodle. So now we are going to downloads. This is the file. Next, and now we are going to do is, so now I'm going to do we are going to select the folder. We will select other, and then we will select desktop, then we will select folder and finish. So now we have imported our file from Moodle, and now we are going to proceed. So now we are going to clone this file. As you see, there is that file. So we are going to clone this file. We will go to this and we will do clone, and now we are going to change the number. So the number is 30920, and after that, and now the path I will choose is the same again, desktop. We will go to others, and now we will select desktop and we will select folder. So now we will next, and full clone. Is it full clone? Yeah. And then we will select finish, and now we have got our another file in VirtualBox. So what we are going to do now is, we will remove the first file, and the clone file is we are going to work on that. So we will go to do right click, remove, delete all files, and the file is removed. So now we are going to do is we will click start, and let's check is it working or not. Okay, it's getting loading. Yeah, so yeah, it's working, and we will remove this cancel. So right now there is no window, so this won't work. So we will just remove this. Yeah, power of the machine. Okay, so now we are going to install our window. So first we will go to storage, and there is a panel opened. So there is an option called empty. We will select empty, and there is an option of the CD. So we will select this CD option, and we will choose our file. So we will select choose a disk file, and there is my file. There is the Windows. So I have selected this file, and okay. So now I have just imported the file, and now we are going to proceed more. So now we are going to again start, because before we started the file was empty, there was no window. So now we have just put the window file. Now we are going to start again. So there is the panel opened, and we are going to do a little bit bigger. Yeah, so now the Windows is getting started. And let me see what we have got. Okay, so now there is a option which which is showing the language and everything. So what we are going to do next is Now we are going to do left this in the default, and we're going to next install now. So now Windows is going to set up automatically, and we will skip this part because this is going to be get some loading. It will take some time to solve. So now we have the option is there is a activate Windows, and if you have a key, but we don't have a key, so we are going to press I don't have a product key. And next we are going to install. There is some Windows option which Windows you are going to install, so we will install Windows 10 Pro. We will select this, then we will do next. I accept the license, yeah, okay, next. And custom install Windows only. So now we are going to select the custom install window, and as per assignment says that the file should be in drive 1. So yeah, it's like first drive is drive 0, so we are going to do next. And after that it's getting started finally. So now Windows is going to be installed. Now we will wait for this, and after that we'll continue. So now it's getting ready. Just remaining last updates are left, and after that it will proceed automatically. And now it's restarting. Yeah, so it's getting ready. So now we have the page, and this is asking for the name of the PC, or who is going to use this PC. So according to the assignment we are going to enter the name of PC as my student ID. So my student ID is 73948. 73948 is my student ID, so we will do next, and no password, next. And now it's getting load. So now we have our home page of the Windows, and now we are going to do some settings. No, right now, okay. So now we are going to open computer management. We'll go to start, but something is getting okay. We will cross it, start, and we'll type compute. Okay, so there is the computer management. We will open this. So now this the computer management is open. We will select disk management, and the disk management panel has opened. We will select GPT guide partition table. So okay, now we will select disk 1. We will do right click on disk 1, and we will convert to dynamic disk. So now we will do an OK, and now we are going to do right click on this, a new simple volume, next. And now we are going to, according to the requirement, we will create partitions of 20 GB, 20 gigabytes. So we will enter some value for 20 gigabytes. And we will do next. So we will do do not, there is an option, the last option, do not assign a drive letter or drive path. We will select this and we will do next. And now, so now we will change this NTFS to FAT32. The new volume, we will change the name. It will be partition 1. And next, finish. So now it's a partition 1 has been created. Now we are going to work on the next one. So for this, we again going to do new simple volume, next. So same as the previous one, we are again going to change the value for 20 GB. So again we will do next, do not assign drive, next. Now we are not going to change this, just going to change the name, and it is going to be partition 2. And next, finish. And now we have 2 partition. Now we are going to work on the third one. And again for the last one, we are going to select a new simple volume, next. We are not going to change the volume, the remaining volume will be going to in the next partition, next. Do not assign, next. And again we will change the name, and it will be like partition 3. And after the next, and finish. So now we have 3 partitions over here. So now in this, we are going to change the drive letter and path. Change drive letter path, we are going to do add, there is a E, we are going to change into W. Okay. And now there is a new third partition, W has been created. So we are done with the partitions. Now we are going to just cut these, and now we are going to add some users. So we'll go to start, settings. We have selected the settings, let the settings open. Yeah. We'll go in accounts. There is our account name, and we will add some users. So for add some users, we are going to do is we will go to family and other users, add someone else to this PC, and now there is a Microsoft account. They want some accounts, and there are then some other options also. So okay, I don't have this person signed in information. Now they are asking for a create account. So we will add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay. Now they are asking for a name for the new user. So we will put Alice as new user. We'll do next, and the new user has been added. Just like that, we are going to add 3 more users. It will be like Bob, Charlie, Deborah, and now we will going to add just the same as the Alice one. We are going to add 3 more users. So now we have the total 4 users, and these all are standard users, account type standard users. So what we are going to do is we are going to change the standard change account type into administrator, the last one for the Michael. So we will choose the account type administrator. Okay, so now the account type of Michael, the fourth one, has been changed into an administrator account. So yeah, we are done with this panel. So now what we are going to do is we will just cut this setting panels. Now we will go to personalize, and we will add some more icons. So we will go on themes and on themes we will go on desktop icon settings, and in this we will add computer and user files. Okay, yeah, so there is the user, and this PC has been on the desktop now. So now we are done with this. We will cross this panel, and now we will go again into settings, and we are going to install some languages. So we will go in time and language. There is the time and language panel. There language, add a language. We are going to add some languages, which is the first one is the Chinese simplified. Okay, we are going to do next, and this is searching for language features. Install language pack. Okay, yep, so we will going to install this, and it's pending, it's going to install. Then after that we will going to install another language, which will be Portuguese, the Brazil one, and we will going to proceed after the Chinese language has been installed. So this language is started installing, and so we will now add the Portuguese language as well. So like Portuguese, there are two options, the Brazil and the Portugal one. We are going to do Brazil one. We will do the next, and again this is searching for language features. Yep, so the features has been there. We're going to do again install, and this is also going to be installed. Until that we will minimize it. This will going to be installed automatically. So now after the both languages has been installed, now we are going to do on the next part, which is first we are going to go in the other account. It's Alice, sign in. So just like the previous one, this account is also getting set up automatically, and we will wait for that, and we'll continue when the home page, when the Windows page has been on the front. So now it's going to be setting up, and okay, we have our main page here. So what we are going to do according to the requirements, we are going to change the theme and the mouse settings. So we will go first in settings, and let the settings get opened. Okay, yep, so the settings section is opening. Okay, so first we are going to do is we will go in theme settings. So we will go in personalization, there is a theme, and we have to change theme in the dark. So there is a high contrast settings. We will turn it on, and it's going to be changed. Okay, so now we are going to change our mouse size, the mouse, and we will do it full size. And yeah, okay, so now it's the full size of mouse. Now we are going to do our next part. So now we will go and we will cancel this. Now we will type Windows R. Okay, so here okay, so now just a moment, let me check. There is an issue and it's not working. Yep, so now we have our Windows R command, and we will type regedit and press enter. Now we have a panel open here. So in this we are going to do saving. We'll go file, export, we will choose desktop, and now we will type any name over there. I'm going to write my personal computer. Okay, my personal computer, and we are going to do is as save. So as you see, it is here on the right and left as my personal computer. Yep, so next we are going to do is we will go in hey current users. We will expand this. There is a control panel, expand this, and there is the option of colors. Okay, now we will export this file also. We will go on file, export, desktop, and again I'll go with the name of like my colors. So save, and now there is a file called my colors. So we are done with this panel. Now we will cut this, and again we will choose our run command, and now we will type mmc and press enter, and there is a panel opened, and in this panel we are going to go in files, add or remove snap-in. We will go in computer management. We will add some files over here, and then we'll do it finish. And now here it is computer management local, and now we will add a device manager, add, and then disk management, finish. Okay, and now here it is computer management, device manager, disk management. Now we'll go to save as, and I will type it as my custom console, and we will save this file in the desktop folder, and then we will do save, and here is a my custom console. There it is. And now let me cut this panel. Now we have all the files, my personal computer, my colors, my custom console. So we have all the files, and we are done with the assignment requirements, and this is all, and thank you so much. Let me tell you again.